Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn about singular and plural nouns. Nouns, the part of speech that identifies people, places, things and concepts, have the ability to show number. They can be singular, referring to one person, place, thing or concept, or can be plural, referring to more than one of something. The way a singular noun becomes plural is simple. For regular nouns, we just add a letter or two, that is either s or es. But the tiny change covers everything from the two shoes that make a pair to all the stars in the sky. In this video, we will convert singular nouns into plurals. First word is apple. The plural of apple is apples. We have just added a s in the end of the word. Next word is boy. The plural of boy is boys. We have just added s at the end of the word. Next word is child. The plural of child is children. Next word is city. The plural of the word city is cities. Next word is bus. Its plural is buses. Next word is tomato. The plural of the word tomato is tomatoes. Next word is leaf. Its plural is leaves. Next word is women. Its plural is women, where we use a e instead of a. Next word is man. Similarly, the plural of man is men with a e instead of a. Next word is mouse. The plural of the word mouse is mice. Next word is tooth. Its plural is teeth. Next word is goose. The plural of the word goose is geese. Next word is baby. Its plural is babies. Next word is wolf. Its plural is wolves. Next word is knife. The plural of the word knife is knives. Next word is person. The plural of the word person is people. Next word is ox. Its plural is oxen. Next word is ship. In plural also we will write ship. Next word is fish. Its plural is fish.